In this video, I'm going to show you how to create GIFs for Discord by using Capcut PC. I'll put a link to Capcut PC in the description box below. So the first thing you got to do is drag and drop the video which you want to turn into a GIF. Then from here you can resize the length of the GIF. Ideally, the length of the GIF should be around 3 to 6 seconds. I'm going to adjust it and make it a little shorter. And then once you're done with the adjustment, all you got to do is click on export. Then select the location where you want to save the GIF. Make sure the video section is not selected. Scroll down and select the option that says export GIF. And then click on export. After that, your video will be transformed into a GIF. Now to use the GIF on Discord, simply click on the plus icon and then click on upload a file. Then locate where the file is and then click on open. And then simply send it. Now if you want to use this GIF again, you can hover your cursor over it and click on the star button and add to favorites. So next time when you want to send this GIF to someone, you can simply click on GIF and click on favorites and you'll see it right here. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.